Welcome to my vlog. So my kid is asking for a bagel and I'm making him. Come on! He's shy. Okay. So, nangita kog bagel. Dara siya. Mini. It is mini bagel cut in half. Talon. So you have to put in a toast for a few minutes. Dayon, batangan siya og come on. Cream cheese. Where's the cream cheese? Cream cheese. Have you seen the cream cheese? Talon? Have you seen the cream cheese? Come on. Have you seen it or no? Come on. It's very easy. Check your bagel if it's done. Then pull it off. Thank you. I'm still looking for the cream cheese, mister. Dayon. Dara. Cream cheese. Original flavor. Is your bagel done? Mister? Your bagel done?
No, it'll be like a few minutes.
Say hi to my vlog. Say hi. Come on. He's shy. Naula siya gamay. Pero tabian ni siya kayo. Ula-ula pa ni siya ron. Come on. Here, oh. Here's the cream cheese. It's hot. Come on, Talon. Don't be shy. Say hi.
Only.
No, get your face in here. It's our vlog. It's our vlog. Ta. It's really yummy. Talon. I don't know what is in my chin. I think I had it out. Here.
Wait, are you actually like vlogging?
I still have to edit it. What? Here. Oh. Say hi.
Hi.
Shy. Ulaw gamay. Ula-ula po siya. So, dili na ako magluto kay naana may leftover from last night, which is spaghetti. Here we go. Spaghetti. sayang og magluto-luto pa. So by tomorrow pa ako magluto. So for now,